Okay, so let's now use the cross multiply method to process the equations on page 196a. As I said, the first step is to find the factors that give me the product of the first term, 2. So I use 1 and 2. So for the last number, 3, I should use a 1 and 3. There's no other choices. And I may use 1 and 3 or 3 and 1. Just now I made a mistake. You can see. Now let me check. 2 times 1 give me a 2. 1 times 3 give me a positive 3. So when they add up together, I get a 5. So this one I know is correct. Just now I put it the other way around, then it was wrong. So I tell you why. If I put a 3 here and 1 here, 2 times 3 give me 6. 1 times 1 give me 1. So, but I need a positive 1. So both of these numbers must be a positive 3. So both of these numbers must be positive. So that means I should have a 6 plus a 1. So that gives me 7. So this is not matching the number that I want. So the next step, once I got all these factors, I draw 2 brackets. The first term is 1. So 1 with this unknown. And this first term on the second bracket will be with the factor 2. And then the last term, I know I need to put plus 1. And the last one plus 3. Right? And the next step is, of course, you can double check it, but I'm pretty sure I'm correct. Now the next thing is to remove the small bracket. So I just remove the bracket and by expanding the term. So 2x plus 2y plus 3. And that's it. Okay? So I do the next one. The factors that I think I will use is 1 and a 2 and a 5 and a minus 1. So I know 2 times 5 give me 10. 1 times minus 1 give me minus 1. So I have 10 minus 1. So that definitely will give me a positive 9. So why is it a negative? Because I need to have this term a negative 5. So it has to be either a minus 5 plus 1 or a positive 5 minus 1. Okay? So now the next step is again, I write the 2 apprentices, the big brackets. The first term I'm left with this one. Second term is with the coefficient 2. And then plus 5. So be careful, this one I have a minus 1. Okay, so next step again, I remove the small brackets. Okay, the next one. So now I can only use a 1 and a 2, isn't it? So, and then on this side, I use a plus 2 minus 3. Okay, so let's try. Plus 2 give me plus 4. 1 times minus 3 give me the minus 3. So what I need is a 1. Okay, so that's why it's correct. If I reversed it, you can imagine it's incorrect. It wouldn't give me the answers I need. So again, I draw the apprentices. The first term, 1 with the unknown. And then here, plus 2. The second term, coefficient 2. Now I make sure that I write a negative 3. So again, next step, just remove the small bracket. Okay, now the number 4, I use the term a 1 and a 3, the vectors. Now I need to get a positive 4, but a negative 13. So I need a negative 4 and a negative 1 because I need to have a big number that is negative in the middle. Okay, now again, once I'm sure about the factors, I draw the brackets. Now the first one is x plus y. Here, 3, sorry. Sorry. Last one.